Good morning, everyone. My name is Jonas Landis. I'm founder of TFLOW, and today is Monday, 4th of September. And today we are continuing with the Market Monitor. It's our journey through the trading world of cryptocurrencies. And with the use of the TFLOW Trading Engine, we are analyzing a 10 cryptocurrency portfolio, but also the general overview of the market. So some things about TFLOW. TFLOW is a utility token of the Binance Smart Chain. By purchasing the TFLOW token, you unlock, as a utility token, you unlock access to our services. The most currently, TFLOW is at 0.056 USDT, and you can buy it at Bitmart, P2B, and PancakeSwap by just clicking on the links here. And two of the most important services that we have right now, the third one is coming within this month, are the TFLOW bots, which is our copy trading platform. I'm going to show you more on the course of this week. And of course, the TFLOW Trading Engine, which you can purchase and use as a strategy in TradingView, and you can connect there your own exchange accounts and design your own bots. I'm going to show you in separate tutorials how you are going to do this. So you can find the Market Monitor in our site by going at the section here at News. Every day we upload from Monday to Friday. We upload our Market Monitor. So here is Market Monitor for 1st of September, our first show, and you will find here the rest of the Market Monitor in our social media as well. Don't forget to join us on Telegram. TFLOW Global is our group. You can also find the Market Monitor in Binance Feed, and you can also find it at Trading Live. Thank you very much for the 1.2K subscribers in our page so far. And finally, you can find the Market Monitor at the coin market cap in our page TradeFlow Cryptocurrency. So let's start today our journey in the market. So currently the market is at 1 trillion and 5 billion market cap, is almost at the level of 1 trillion. We've lost it before, we can lose it now. Don't be so sure, and I explained to you in another video in our Trading Live show that we did, that you may expect first a dip of the market, and then we will see how 2024 is going to play out. But as you can also realize after some news like the XRP appeal that was won in against the SEC or the grayscale, again, we see that these news bring a short-term uptrend in the market, but they can't hold it, and then we get back to the previous levels. So let's see our 24-hour volume, and exactly this is what I'm telling you about. 24 billion is very low, and if we take under consideration the worst trading that's being done in exchanges, the real share and the real size of the current daily volume is much lower. Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin is at 48.3%, which again proves if we add on Ethereum as well at 90%, but these two are almost 70% of the market still. We haven't seen yet the big cryptocurrency that's going to break this power of Bitcoin and Ethereum in the market. Tether, of course, the stable coin of cryptocurrencies, although all the fears and FUD that are spread during several periods, we see that Tether is still there at 4th place. BNB, despite the fact that Binance receives, BNB is the 4th, and the 3rd cryptocurrency in market size. XRP is following. Now let's start our analysis. Bitcoin currently at 25,991, and the 24 high was 26,000. We just went above 26,000. We weren't able to keep this, and 24-hour low, the bottom was $25,817. So we are ranging between 26 and 25,000, and we are trying to rebound above 27,000. Ethereum at $1,638. 24 high was just some dollars higher, and the low again was some dollars at $1,626. So Ethereum is also ranging, and this also shows us that 70% of the market is consolidated. Let's see who is rising more in this last 24 hours. SNX is rising, Stellar Lumens is rising as well, and Rocket Pool is trying to go above, but you can see small one-digit percentages for the market, and also very low volume. So that's it for the market. And of course, we can always find TFLOW here at CoinMarketCap. Trade flow, as we saw, at 0.05387, getting some pressure, as we explained, from selling tokens that were sold through exchanges. We explained to you in our community pages what happened. So we are here above our pre-sale price. Our all-time high, as you can see here, was 26 cents. And we are expecting very good news and announcements from the company within the week. So let's go to check out Blockchain Center, our favorite platform for analysis, and we go to altcoin season index, the month index, and the month index shows us that again we have a very bad month. See how all assets are in the red zone, and only just 2 coins are just above zero. So not much to see here. And of course, we are checking out the crypto fear and greed index now at 40. Again, the market is in fear. As I told you, despite the fact that we have some good news from Grayscale and XRP, still we didn't see a shift in the momentum of the market. So there's still a wide road ahead of us to see how things will go play out. Let's go to TradingView and we start our analysis, of course. And as I told you, you can find us as TFLOW Blockchain in our TradingView page, and you can see here our trading ideas. Last trading idea was Ethereum long to 2000, and it went very well from 26th of January, and it went very well. It reached 2000, and everyone made profit. Thank you very much all for your support. Now let's start with Bitcoin. And when I say let's start with Bitcoin, let's for 1 minute close the TFLOW Trading Engine and let's do some traditional analysis for Bitcoin. So we're going to use these simple tools: MACD, volume profile, SMMAs, the 200 days and 50 days SMMA. And let's go to the weekly chart to see what is going on with Bitcoin. So as you can see, actually, starting from 26th of December 2022, we are on an uptrend. And as you can see here, this was the bottom, 16,000. And here we have a rise of Bitcoin. And let's break it together here. So the volume profile can indicate us where we are right now. As you can see, so we went back to 2020. As you can see here that we are consolidating, we reached the bottom, we reached 64,000, we reached 60,000, and now we are starting to move aside. Here is the base for Bitcoin. Base starts at 24,000, good support levels. And if we go above 30,000, then there's room to go back at least to 52,000 for Bitcoin. Now let's take a look at this traditional technical analysis indicator, the MACD, and we can see here that we are consolidating and we are under pressure right now. So we are still waiting to go above the 50 days SMMA, but we are far above the 200 SMA. That means that we have transitioned here into an uptrend. So let's go to the daily chart to see what we are seeing. Of course, as you can see, the daily chart is just a representation of the weekly charts, but with more candles. Again, as you can see, we went above the 200 SMA. Now we are below. We are ranging just above 24,000. So as you can see here, 20,000, 24,000 are good support levels. So we are going to consolidate here. And then we are expecting a shift for the MACD, which is not going to come yet. We must see MACD go below zero and then cross over. MACD is a green line, signal is a red line. We must see the green line shift above and cross above the signal line. So we are sure that we are on an uptrend. Here are the support levels, so we must clear what's going on. So let's go back to our daily routine. Now, let's focus on this chart and let's see what our trading engine is doing in this market. So everything is custom, and as you can see here, we had an entry, but actually we had an exit. So short, long exit. Now we are on a neutral position for Bitcoin. Let's go for Ethereum. Ethereum right now is on a short position, still open. And if I go here and I go to the list of trades, we can see that our position is at 1.70% profit right now. Very good for our algorithm so far. So Ethereum dropped and it's consolidating here around this level. And if we move on even closer, we see that we have a drop. We try to go up with, this is the grayscale news, and this is the correction of the market. And we are just continuing to consolidate with very few trading volume, very low trading volume. Let's go to BNB short. We close the entry short. This is a profitable trade. So BNB has a profitable trade, and this trade is, as you can see here, at the list of trades, our last trade has 4.61% profit for BNB from our trading bot. And right now we are consolidating. We are in a small loss right now, but we took good profits from our last position here. Let's go to XRP to see the last move of XRP. Short, still open for XRP, and it's going good. It's still in profit, and we see a shift in XRP. This might close in a little bit. So we are going to take profit also from XRP. XRP is trying to rebound, but it may break down, and this might be a bull trap at the 4-hour chart. Let's go to Atom. Atom, we see that it has just opened. Our trading engine has just opened. It is custom settings for Atom. Everything you see is just custom settings for everything. So Atom just gave us a close of a short position, and this was at the profit. Let's see the profit here at the list of trades. And our last trade, as you can see, was 5.13% with one leverage. So we're not using any leverage in our analysis. So you might use whatever leverage you think it's good for you and your risk appetite. But as you can see, second win here, 5.13% for Atom. Now let's go to MATIC to see what's going on here. Again, long position for MATIC. We close our short position, and this also came at a very good profit here. Let's go to list of trades and see what is going on. And we can see that our last trade here was 1.87% profit for MATIC. Let's go to Dots to see what's going on. Short position still open, and we are waiting to take a lock signal so we can close with success our short trade for Dots. Phantom gave us a long position, short position, small profit for Phantom at the 3-hour chart. It's the only coin that we are seeing. It's not going very well, of course, the last 2 months, but this is just periodically. And as you can see here, we are going to go to the list of trades, and you can see that our latest move for Phantom was 1.67% for FTM. And let's move on with VeTchain. VeTchain gave us a good win here. We opened the short position. We had a long position open for VET. VET also gave us a very good profit. Let's go here to list of trades and see that VET gave us 3.59%. And finally, we are closing with Solana. Solana is still on a short position open, and currently this position is winning, as you can see, 5.14% for Solana. So some coins are in long phase, some coins are in short phase, and we also had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 successful trades that closed, and we are going to share them, of course, in our social media. So this is a day-to-day analysis, and at the end of each month, we are doing the roundup, and we are seeing how this is performing. Of course, you can also monitor these bots in Telegram. We have them for free. So if you join our Telegram channel, you can find access to these trading bots to trade the bot channel for free. We have 10 trading channels, so you can just monitor the signals there. It's not trade signals, it's just information signals, just so you have a feeling of how the settings that we have in our trading engine are performing. And of course, we are making full analysis day by day of how the algorithm is going. And we are going to announce also 3 months results for each bot. So thank you very much for watching today. And I'll see you tomorrow at the next Market Monitor broadcast. Thank you very much for watching.